Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn how to create godown and how to alter a godown name and how to delete a godown in Tally Prime. आज हम गोडाउन को कैसे क्रिएट करने का और उसका गोडाउन का once you have created how to alter that name and how to delete गोडाउन वो आज हम सीखेंगे. पहले टैली को ओपन करेंगे, बाद में फर्स्ट यू हैव टू गो टू क्रिएट ऑप्शन, देन क्लिक ऑन गो डाउन. हियर click on go down, then you will get this window, then click on create new, then give new. I will give the name Dharwad. Press yes, go down is created. Press escape to see whether it is created or not. We'll create one more, Hubli. Here we are seeing Dharwad is created. Okay, now we'll create Hubli. Press escape, go down. Then click on to. Now we are learned how to create the godown. Now we will see how to alter that godown name. Click on alter, click on godown, then click on this, then we'll create, change the name as Dharwad main. Likewise we can alter the name of the गोडाउन नेम. हम ऐसा गोडाउन नेम को अल्टर कर सकते हैं. To delete godown, press on this and open the godown name and press Alt Y, Alt D, then press Y. Godown will be deleted. Now I will open Hubli godown, then I will press Alt and D, then you have to press Y. Likewise we can delete godown. Today we are learned how to create the godown, how to alter the godown name and how to delete the godown. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you one and all. If you have any problem in Tally Prime, you can WhatsApp or you can call us. We'll try to solve your problem. Thank you one and all.